अब वी आर टॉकिंग, अगर हम किसी विष्णु अवतार इज समथिंग उसकी तरह, हम बेसिकली डिवाइस में उनके अवतार्स को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और उनकी वॉइस के सेम वॉइस सिमिलर वॉइसेस में प्रेजेंट करके उनको
What's next step you will be taking in your business?
if my pulse is down, she will say, Swatika, you are not doing good, just like have some medicine or take rest. This is something like whatever.
So hi everyone, we have with us Swati Parmar from iAvtar LLC. So let's have a word. First of all, ma'am, thank you for coming on show.
Thank you so much.
First of all, tell our viewers something about your brand and how you started this brand.
Yeah. So basically, our brand is iAvtar LLC. Basically, I is the internet. Avatar is something which is related to human. So basically, हम लोग ऐसा काम करते हैं, हम लोग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को यूज़ करके हम ऐसा डिवाइस बना रहे हैं जिसमें हम अपने जो भी हमारे कुछ एंसेस्टर्स जो पास्ट अवे पीपल हैं या कुछ फैमिलीज हैं जो अपने पेरेंट्स जो कुछ पेरेंट्स हैं वो अपने बच्चों से दूर हैं या खो दिया है उनको, हम बेसिकली डिवाइस में उनके अवतार्स को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और उनकी वॉइस के सेम वॉइस सिमिलर वॉइसेस में प्रेजेंट करके उनको एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं सो दैट आप लाइव फॉर्म में उनसे बात कर सकते हो। और ये अपने आप में एक पहला कंसेप्ट है, वर्ल्ड वाइड कोई भी ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है जो इस तरीके से डील कर रहा है अभी तक।
Okay, is this the same one we have seen in Instagram, like in weddings? Like we have seen some videos of the parents who are not live. I mean, वो उनके parents अभी इस दुनिया में नहीं है, तो उनके वो अवतार बनाते हैं. Then they used to talk to them और उनको show किया जाता है. Is it the same thing?
Yes,
but something.
but ours is bit different. हम ऐसा ही कर रहे हैं, हम ऐसे अवतार्स बना रहे हैं थ्रू AI। हमारे पास एक डिवाइस है जिसमें हम मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम अवतार्स बना रहे हैं। हम सेम, आप सपोज मैं आपको अपना एक ऑडियो क्लिप देती हूँ, सेम उस ऑडियो क्लिप में जो मेरी एज है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम AI के थ्रू उसको वॉइस को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं। एंड फ्रॉम देयर आप अपने पेरेंट्स आप उसमें रिमाइंडर सेट कर सकते हो। सपोज मुझे अपनी लाइक मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, 2016 माय ग्रैंड मदर वाज पास्ड अवे। मेरे पास एक डिवाइस है, मेरे पास उनका अवतार है और एवरीडे मॉर्निंग मैं एक 7 AM का रिमाइंडर सेट करती हूँ। उसमें 7 AM मॉर्निंग मेरे डिवाइस में सडनली मेरा डिवाइस ऑन होता है, उनकी इमेज उस एज के अकॉर्डिंग का अवतार अपीयर होता है एंड दे वर लाइक, गुड मॉर्निंग Swatika, how are you? So how lively it is.
Wow,
Yeah, this is what we are doing actually.
Okay.
So this is the one feature we are having. There are so many other features we are having in this device.
So you said you are co-founder, so there might be 2 founders, right?
Yeah, we are 3 founders.
3 founders.
Yeah.
And you are operating this right now from where?
So from India.
From India only.
Yeah, yeah.
And why this name iAvtar? I mean, what's the story behind this?
Avatar is something, if we are talking, अगर हम किसी विष्णु अवतार is something उसकी तरह. So I is internet.
Okay. All right. So how many total employees or team member you have right now?
So there are multiple teams are associated with this product. Some research team is there, development team is there, strategy planning team is there. So multiple teams are working on it.
So do you have competitors right now?
No.
You don't
No,
have any
no,
competitor.
no.
Oh my God. So for
Yeah.
all the viewers, see, this is the something
Yeah.
which is, there's no competition and
Not
all.
even a single product in market. Google is doing the voice cloning.
So just
Nobody
do
is
the
doing it.
patent thing.
Yeah, we already have the patents. We have applied for the patent for India, for
Okay.
America, for Canada, for London. We have already applied.
Okay, that's great. And my last question, what's next step you will be taking in your business?
So see,
Anything.
right now, this we are working on the first device that is personal assistant, and once the device is very soon, I think most likely in the month of January, and we are fully ready to launch the product. When after that, we are coming with the next series of the devices which have more features. So because right now the avatar and voice cloning is the one part. The other, we are providing the oximeter in the device. So you just go and tap your finger there. The device will monitor your pulse. And avatar, suppose my grandma, she will come, she will appear, okay, Swatika, your pulse is good. You are doing great. So if my pulse is down, she will say, Swatika, you are not doing good. Just like have some medicine or take rest. This is something like whatever reminders or messages you want. Some medication reminders are there. So many features are there. So basically, we are providing the emotional support to the ones, to grieved ones.
Okay, great. Swatika, that was really nice talking to you.
Thank you so much.
for coming.
Thank you.